Hello again everyone. In this video tutorial we are going to find the value of k for which the following quadratic equation has two similar or equal roots. So always remember that discriminant is always equal to b square minus 4 times ac, where in our case a equals to 3, b equals to positive k, and c equal to positive 5. And one more thing, just keep in your mind that any quadratic equation has two similar or equal roots as long as the discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So that means, we have b square minus 4 times ac equal to 0. Let's plug it in these values. In our case, b equals to k, so b square become k square minus 4 times a is 3 times c is 5 equal to 0. Let's simplify. So we got k square minus 4 times 3 times 5 is 60 equal to 0. I want you to move this negative 60 on the right hand side. So k square equal to positive 60. Now I want you to undo this square of k. So we're going to take the square root on both sides. So this square and square root, they undo each other. We got k equal to positive or negative square root of 60. So far so good. Let's go ahead and simplify this square of root of 60. I want to put down square root of 60 right up here. Square root of 60 could be written as 4 times 15, isn't it? Let's go ahead and split this radical up into two separate radicals. 4 times square root of 15 over here. So now the square root of 4 is simply 2. So we got 2 times square root of 15. So thus we got this. I can write this as k equal to positive or negative 2 times square root of 15, and that is the value of k. So thus k equals to positive or negative 2 times the square root of 15 would give us two similar roots or solutions for the given quadratic equation. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.